Hello. Welcome to our first English lesson. My name is Alex and I am your teacher. I am so happy to have you here today. Are you ready to learn English with me? I hope so, because today is going to be fun and you will learn a lot. Let's begin with something very simple. We will learn how to say hello and introduce ourselves. These are the most important things you need to know. First, let's learn a simple greeting. Listen to me carefully and then repeat after me. Say it slowly and clearly. Hello. Good. Now another way to say hello. This one is more friendly and informal. Hi. Perfect. Now let's learn how to say goodbye. This is how we end a conversation politely. Goodbye. Excellent. Now let's learn something very important. How to tell people your name. Listen carefully. My name is Alex. Now you try. Say, my name is your name. Great. I can hear you practicing. That's wonderful. Now let's learn how to say where you are from. This is how we tell people about our country. I am from Egypt. Now you try. Say, I am from your country. Fantastic! You are doing so well. I am very proud of you. Now let's learn two very important words, he and she. We use he for a man or a boy, and she for a woman or a girl. Listen carefully. I am a man, so we say he is a teacher. Repeat after me. He is a teacher. Good. Now, for a woman, we say she is a doctor. Repeat after me. She is a doctor. Excellent. You are learning very quickly. Now, let's practice a short conversation. I want you to listen carefully to the dialogue and then repeat each sentence after me. First sentence. What is your name? Good. Now the answer. My name is Sarah. Now, a nice thing to say when you meet someone for the first time. Nice to meet you. And the answer, nice to meet you too. Now, let's listen to a full conversation. I will say each sentence and I want you to repeat it after me. Ready? Hello, my name is John. I'm from the USA. Hi, my name is Maria. I'm from Spain. Nice to meet you, Maria. Nice to meet you too, John. Wonderful. You are doing an amazing job. I can tell you are really trying, and that is the most important thing. Now I have a small task for you. This is your homework. I want you to write a short introduction about yourself in the comments below. Write your name and where you are from. For example, my name is Ahmed. I'm from Egypt. Or, my name is Maria. I'm from Spain. I can't wait to read your introductions. It is so nice to learn about you.
Now, let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned how to say hello, hi, goodbye. We learned how to introduce ourselves. My name is, I'm from. And we learned the words he and she. You did a fantastic job today. I am so proud of you. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep repeating these sentences until they feel natural. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I will see you in the next one. Keep practicing and never give up. Goodbye for now.